I'm going to be showing you how to use a magic eraser app on my iPhone. Select your image and then crop it if necessary and press done. You'll use the wand to go ahead and click the background. You can zoom in and just start clicking on all the white spaces that you want to delete. If you make a mistake, no big deal, just press this back arrow. If you want to make sure that you've got all the white background deleted, just click the black box on the bottom and it'll change the background to black. When you're finished, click the box with the arrow coming out. Select the PNG file, click high resolution, and it'll save right to your phone. Once you've completed that, go back to your images. Go ahead and click the file that you just created. I always click on the background just to be sure that it turns black and I can see everything. Make sure I didn't miss something. At the bottom of your screen, click that box with the arrow again. Scroll over. I use the OneDrive to get my files over to my computer. Then I select the files and then I have a PNG folder that I put it in and I just click upload here. Now I'm going to show you how to use the Procreate app to create a PNG. Click the plus button on the top right of your screen, select a screen size. Once you get in there, click modify and then the wrench. Go to add and then add text. I selected a square screen, so I'm going to have to move the text down a little bit from where it began. Click the text box and delete the current text that's in the screen. Type the text that you want to use. Tap the text box and then click edit style. It'll take you to where you can edit the font, the size, and anything else that you would like. When you're all finished entering your text, you're going to click the square buttons, not the round button like I just did, the square buttons on the top of your screen, then background color. Uncheck that box and you will have no background for when you save your image. To turn this text into an image, you're going to click the back arrow. Then press select. Click the bubble on the bottom of the image that you want to select. To save it to your phone, press more, then share. Select PNG and it's ready to export to your phone. When the bottom screen pops up, you'll scroll down to the point where it says Save Image. Just click Save Image and it'll be saved to your phone. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video helpful on how to remove backgrounds from images using your iPhone.